Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to fix secure boot and TPM 2 error in Valorant. That means the error 9003. So let's start. I can share with you two tips that can help you to solve this problem. The first tip is going to settings in your device, in your PC, and then let's go to update. Okay, then let's go to Windows Update, and here you will find the last update of your Windows. So if you haven't downloaded this, just have to download and install. And then when the update will be installed, you have to restart your PC once again. So it's very easy. This is the first thing that you can do for solve the problem. If this even you restart your PC and this didn't work, then let's go here, go to start, advanced start. So the one that we will use is start, advanced start, that is here. Just press restart your PC. You can change here the settings from firmware from your PC, and then the Windows will restart from system. So you have to do it in case that the first option about the update didn't work. So whatever, if you use the first, it's okay. If you use the first and this didn't work, go to the second option, that is advanced start, and probably one of them will work for you. Well guys, I hope some of these tips help you to solve this problem. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.